Good morning, student. In the last class, we have completed the chapter number trigonometric chapter we have completed, and all the exercises we have completed. Any doubt in the chapter, you can call me at any time and ask your doubt, clear your doubts. Okay. Today we will go for the new chapter number 14, which is statistics chapter, calculative chapter, because it is also coming in the first semester. Calculative chapter. What is the statistic? Already you have studied statistics in 9th standard. What is the statistic? What we have studied there also you have studied measure of central tendency. That means average value, the mid value you are finding in three different names. What are this? Mean, mode and median. This term already you came across. So what is the mean? What is the mode? What is the median? You already studied in 9th standard. Some advanced level we are going to do in 10th standard. See, what is the statistic deals in your syllabus? It is the measure of central tendency to find the average value of the given data. Okay, and data may be in a grouped data or ungrouped data. Your frequency distribution table chart you are seeing in 9th standard. Same thing you are going to do. Class interval will be there, class length will be there, number of frequency will be there, and what you are doing when you are getting a data, you will collect the data, you will organize the data in a alphabetical order or ascending order or descending order. Then you group the data. If the data type big means you will be group the data with the equal class interval. The data we are studying in 9th standard. A data is collected, primary data, raw data, secondary data, so many titles we are studying in 9th standard. Same thing is continued with the same form, some advanced problems are there. Okay, what we are going to study in 10th standard is mean value, to calculate the mean value, mode, z and median m, which are going to calculate by formulas. Okay, and here too, for ungrouped data and for grouped data, two formulas we will be applying for calculating the average or mean value. Okay, first one, to find the mean. Mean means what? We know it is an average value among all the data you have done. What is the average value of the among the data? That means if you are telling about your class, what is your performance means, they will not say each and every individual. They will say only about the average performance. It is 70%, 80%. That means you can understand, okay, this class is good performing. Okay, like that. Mean for ungrouped data. If the data is small data and the data is given by single digit, you can add all the data and divide by number of observation or number of data. It will give you the average data. That is the mean value. First we will talk about the mean. Mean means average, and it will be denoted by x bar, x over bar. Okay, that is the mean symbol. And mean for ungrouped data. What you are going to do? Ungrouped data means data will be given directly. So class mark, that is called xi. Data is called xi. The data what is given is called SI, and number of data is given, that is number of observation. Number of data is number of observation n. Then what you have to do? Therefore, in our ungrouped data directly, mean or average is given by sigma x bar equal to sigma xi upon n. Sigma means this summation symbol of addition. All the values what they 1, 2, 3, 4. Your data all added, that is called sigma e, and number of data, how many data is there? Divide by n. When you are doing problem, you will understand. So average value, that is mean value, is given by x bar equal to sigma xi. Xi means this class mark. What are the data you are taking? If it is a small one, directly we cannot add the data and divide by number of data. So here sigma xi upon n. That is for ungrouped data. Okay. Then mean for grouped data. How to find the average value for a grouped data? Grouped data means what? You will be having class interval. In the last this one you have studied class column, frequency column, and the multiplication fi xi column, frequency into class bit value you will be taking. Same thing. Here also class mark is taken as xi value. What is the class mark? Upper limit and lower limit, add it, divide by 2. So it will give the average value of the grouped data. Upper limit and lower limit, divide by 2, you will get xi value in the grouped data. And number of observation is given as frequency fi. That is given by fi. So now the sigma x bar value, mean value, how we calculate it by using these two data? Sigma fi xi sigma sum of fi into xi column sum in and divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi is nothing but a number of frequency or number of observation that will be given. So x bar in a grouped frequency, if xi is given, frequency is given, then we can calculate the x bar average value mean is sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. This is for frequency is given in a grouped data. If frequency is given, if the data is more, somewhat length, you will go for a assumed mean data. Assumed mean data in a grouped data it is given by class mark will be given, frequency will be given, and from the class mark you have to select one as a assumed mean and you have to calculate the mean value. What is the mean value formula? X bar equal to assumed mean plus of sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Assumed mean plus of sigma fi di sigma fi. Sigma fi means summation of all the frequencies. Sigma fi di means summation of all fi di column frequency. And this di is called deviation. This di is called deviation from the assumed mean. So di how we calculate? Xi column xi minus of a. Suppose xi is first one, x1 minus of a, x2 minus of a, x3 minus of a. Then dA and the frequency column should be multiplied. When you are doing problem, you will understand. So this is to calculate the mean value. X bar equal to a plus of sigma fi di upon sigma fi. Okay, where di is the deviation from the assumed mean. That is given by xi minus of a assumed mean. Okay, that will be each and every column you have to minus it, and finally sigma fi you have to fi di you have to add it. Okay, that is by assumed mean method in grouped data. Another method in the grouped data to find the mean value. What is that? Step deviation method. Step deviation method means what is the formula given? Xi equal to assumed mean plus of fi ui upon fi sigma fi into h. H is nothing but class length. What is the difference between the upper limit and the lower limit? That class length. Okay. Or class interval they will call it as. Here the formula is given by x bar equal to a plus of sigma fi ui upon fi, where ui is nothing but xi minus a upon class interval. Ui is xi minus a upon class interval. When you are doing problem, you will understand. Just you can note down the formula. So by mean value can be calculated in ungrouped data. Directly we can add all the data and divide by number of data. You will get the mean value. If it is a grouped data, xi value you have to find. That means class mark you have to find and number of observation will be given frequency. Then you multiply frequency column and xi column, sum it and divide it by the summation of the number of frequency. You will get mean value. And in the grouped data, if you are using assumed mean method, you have to assume one class mark as a and that will be given in the formula x bar equal to a plus of sigma fi di upon sigma fi, where di is xi minus of that assumed mean. So everything you have to calculate, multiply fi di, add it and divide by sum of the frequencies. Okay, number of frequencies. That is by what is that? Assumed mean method. By last method to find the mean value is by step deviation method, where your formula will be representing x bar equal to a plus of sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. Class interval will come into picture. So where ui is xi minus a upon class interval, where h is the class length of class interval. Okay, when you are doing problem you will understand. So in mean 4 formulas are there. For ungrouped data 1 formula, for grouped data 3 formula. 1, 2 by deviation by assumed mean and step deviation and directly frequency into variable you have to multiply xi group. That group is there. Okay. So 3, 4 formulas are there in the to calculate the mean value. If it is a mean assumed mean method means this formula. Step deviation means this formula. Normally you have to multiply frequency into that class mark means this formula. Okay. So these are the 4 formula existing in the mean. How to calculate the mode? That also we will see. In mode, what you will do? You will arrange the data in the ascending order or descending order. All the data single digit. So you arrange it and you see which digit is repeating for maximum number of time. Arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Maximum number of times same data is repeating means you select that data will be the mode of the given data in ungrouped data. If it is not grouped one, so you collect the data and arrange it in ascending order or descending order. You know some data will be repeating for maximum number of time. That data you take it as a mode of the given data in ungrouped situation. But in this grouped situation, in grouped data, class interval is there, frequency is there, and class length is there. Then you will be using one formula. What is that? In grouped data, m mode equal to L plus of f1 minus f4 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus of f2 into h. What is the formula? M equal to L plus of f1 minus f0 2 upon 2 times of f1 minus f0 minus of f2 into h. What is this f1 f0 and all? L is the lower limit of the model class. When you are calculating the problem, you know what is the model class. Lower limit of the model class. And h is the class length that we know. And f1 is the model class frequency. When you are calculating, when you are finding the model class, in that line what is the frequency given? That is called model class frequency. And f4 is the f1 is there. Above this one f4 f0 is there. That is called receiving class frequency of the model class. f1 will be in the middle, and above this one f0 is there. That is preceding class model class, frequency of the model class. And f2 is the f1 below. f2 is the succeeding class frequency of the model class. So when you are doing problem, you will understand. So in a grouped data, mode will be calculated by using a formula L plus of lower limit plus of model frequency minus of preceding frequency upon 2 times of model frequency minus of preceding frequency minus of succeeding frequency into class length. Okay, these are the formulas we are going to apply in the statistic. And another thing, median is there, that will continue in the next class. So what we are studying today? What is statistic? It is a measure of central tendency. And what are the method you are going to study to find the central tendency? Mean, mode and median. Mean, 4 formulas are there for ungrouped data and for grouped data. And mode, we have one normal data which is the maximum number of frequency, number of time same is repeating me, that is called mode of the data. But if it is a grouped frequency data, then you have to use this formula m equal to L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2 into f1 minus f0 minus of f0 into h. Okay, up to this today we will stop, and tomorrow we will continue with the other formula. Then we will go for the exercise problem. Okay, thank you.